Hello guys, good evening. Today I'll be dealing with again with DSA question. One more question. It is also very important question, I guess, for competitive exam point of view and for basic building as well. So this question is from the concept of array. So let's start this question again. So the question given here is let me zoom it. Given an array of 6 into 6 2D array. So here is the question. Here is array 6 size of 6 into 6. So and here is it is saying an hourglass in a is a subset of values with indices following in this pattern in array graphical representation. So basically it is a hourglass. So let me zoom in. Yeah. So it's a hourglass. So in hourglass, what we have to conclude is that suppose this is the first column, this is second column, this is third column, fourth, fifth, and sixth column. Now this is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, and sixth row. Okay. Now, if we want to conclude the first glass, so we have to take care of the first. For the first row, we have to take care first column, second column, third column, and then from second row we have to conclude second row, sorry, second column, and then the from third row we have to conclude first column, second column, third column. So likewise, like this we have to choose one, one, one. Then from second row, second column we have to choose, and from third row we have to choose three columns, like first column, second column, third column. So like that we have to choose. So this is called hourglass. So this is called hourglass, like that. So now here it is saying that there are 16 hourglasses in an array. It is given an hourglass sum is the sum of an hourglass values. Calculate the hourglass sum of for every hourglass in an array, then print the maximum hourglass. Now it is basically it is saying that suppose if we are taking the first hourglass, right? First hourglass if we are taking like this is for the first row, we are taking first column, second column, third column, like then second row, second column, then third row, first column, second column, third column. So if we add this all, 9 plus 9 minus 9 plus minus 9, like that, we if we add, then we will get here minus total how 9 7 yeah 63. So we are getting 63. So we are getting minus 63. After adding, we are getting minus 63. Now again, likewise, we have to add here. Add this one. Understood? Now minus 9, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9, minus 9. This is 0. Because you have to conclude like this. So minus 9, minus 9, plus 1. Okay. Then 0 here. Because this is for this second column, we have to conclude. For this second column, we have to count like say like same wise what we count in previous. We will count here for this. We will consider this first column, second column, third column, and from second row we will conclude this is first column, this is second column, so we will take care of second column. Now from third row we will take minus 9, minus 9, and 1. So likewise we will get the sum minus 34. Now same we will do for this is for first column, this is for second column, third column we will do, and up to fourth column we will do. We won't be doing for fifth column, because if you do for fifth column, then there won't be any third column for this, because first column, second column, third column, so there is no column, no any third column for exist for this. And likewise we will do for row also and column. So likewise we will do on downward also and rightward also. Understood? Now, and we have to print the highest hourglass like sum we have to print. So the highest hourglass is a 28 from the glass. It is from the input he was in which he was giving the example. Now here note, if you have already solved the, now here complete the function hourglass sum. The function name is hourglass sum. Okay. Now hourglass sum has the following parameters like int array of 6 is an array, and return, we have to return the maximum hourglass sum. We have to return the maximum hourglass sum, and we have to take the size like int array of 6 into 6 size. Now each of 6 lines of input array contains 6 spaces separated by array of int I, because suppose if you want to print array like 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that, if you want to print, then we have to print like one space, then one space, another like one space, means we have to separate by comma. Now suppose the input is like this, like array of 6 into 6 size, then output should be like this. Now same thing which I have did here. So first I take here int because the most of the means the problem it is given already. So here he is saying to complete the hourglass function below. So here it is the program int hourglass sum vector, because vector we are taking because we don't want to means go for so many arrays, because for so many arrays the vector will take care of many arrays as a whole sum. So now int maximum hourglass, so int minimum we are taking because it will take the minimum value. Suppose the minimum value is minus 56 or minus 63, so it will do it automatic like int minimum. It is a function in C programming. It is basically it is using. And for int I equal to 0, because when I equal to 0, we will be the our k loop will work up to k 0 1 2 3, up to 3 it will work, because this 0 denotes first column, this is second column, this is third column, this is fourth column. So for I equal to 0, for up to fourth column it will work. That means up to k equal to 3 it will work. Likewise, when I equal to 1 it will work like this, then I equal to 2 it will work like this, then I equal to 3 it will work like this. So up to I equal to 3 it will work. Okay, so likewise it is written. Now int we take a variable, another variable name int equal to temp. So here we will store the maximum value like array of ij, then array of ij plus 1 we will take as first row first column. This is first row second column, first row third column. Likewise in the second row second column, then this one third row first column, second column, third column, like that. Now here maximum hourglass, we take maximum out of both the values. Temp, suppose temp is 64 and maximum hourglass whatever the value we are getting minimum is minus 63, so it will take 64 only, because 64 is maximum out of 63. Now we will return the maximum hourglass value. Now let's go to HackerRank. We will do the problem again here. So let's go to HackerRank. Yeah. So we'll take the maximum function like maximum hourglass function. We'll take equal to init minimum. We will take int minimum. Now we will do for the loop like for I equal to 0, I less than 4, because it will go up to 3, I plus plus. Now inside this for loop again we will use another for loop for k also. Now sorry, for j also, like for j equal to 0, j less than 4 j plus plus. Now then I need to initialize. Yeah, now I will take one another int temp variable we will take I will take to store the maximum value. Now array of ij, it is denoting the first row first column, plus array of first row second column, plus array of first row third column, plus array of second row second row second column, plus array of third row, that is I plus 2, third row first column, plus array of third row second column, plus array of third row third column. So now after initializing like this, we will return this value. Now we will take the values like this maximum hourglass, we will take maximum hourglass equal to maximum of temp, and then this. Now maximum hourglass equal to maximum of temp, in temp number this variable I have taken, this one, or glass this one. Now I will return the value, return maximum hour glass. Wait a second. Now I will run this program. Let's see it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. So the all the test cases has been passed. So you can see the result. uh, the sum, this one plus this, we're getting 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 plus 1 7. Like that we will get somewhere we will get the sum 19. So we can look here, 4 4 8 10 10 17 17 plus 2 19. Yeah, we are getting here the maximum sum, like 2 4 6 6 plus 4 10. Now 7 7 plus 10 17 plus 2 and 19. So thank you guys, thank you for the day today.